In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make group emails in Gmail. This is a really handy feature for when you need to contact a group of people without having to enter each email address individually each time. Let's dive in. Firstly, open your web browser and go to the Google Contacts website. You can access this by typing contacts.google.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're there, you should see all your existing contacts. This is your central hub for managing your contacts and creating groups. Next, let's create a new label. On the left sidebar, look for the Labels section. Click on Create Label, a button usually found just below your existing labels. It's like creating a folder where all your group emails will be stored. Give your new label a name that makes sense for the group you're trying to create. For example, Project Team or Family, whatever suits your needs. Be sure to click Save to create the label. Now that we have a label, it's time to add people to it. Go back to your contacts list and find the people you want to include in your group. For each person, simply hover over their contact and you'll see a checkbox appear next to their name. Click the checkbox to select them. After selecting everyone you want in the group, head over to the top of the page and click on the label icon. It looks like a little tag. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the label you just created from the list. This action will associate those contacts with the label, thereby creating your group. To make sure everything's working correctly, let's double-check. Click on the label name you just created in the left sidebar. You should see all the contacts you added listed there. This confirms that your group has been properly set up. Now the exciting part, composing your group email. Head over to Gmail by clicking on the Gmail icon or entering mail.google.com in a new tab. Click on Compose to start a new email. In the To field, type the name of the label you created earlier. Gmail will auto-suggest your label as you type. Click on it and voila! All the email addresses within that label populate the To field instantly. Finally, craft your message as you normally would. Once you're happy with it, hit send. Everyone in your group will receive the message, making this a huge time saver for sending bulk emails. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create and use group emails in Gmail. This method will keep you organized and make mass communication a breeze. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.